it's Tommy here at Raw Blend. Today I'm introducing to you the brand new Tribest Personal Blender 2. Tribest actually invented the personal blender nearly 20 years ago, and they coined the phrase personal blender with their original personal blender model, releasing that in 2002. So we're super excited to be releasing the second edition model. What I love about the Tribest personal blender is its size. It's so compact. I can put this in a bag and take it with me and travel with it. This isn't going to replace a full-size, blender, like full-size Vitamix model by any means. But if you're looking for a compact personal blender, just for smoothies, salad dressings, dips, sauces, and to travel with, then this is definitely the model for you. So I'm just going to run you through some of the features. So the base unit comes in either a slate grey color or a white color, and you just wrap the cord around as much as you need here. It's super lightweight, so easy to travel with. That's what I love about it. You can just put it straight in a bag and away you go. Now it comes with some different blending jars. It comes standard with this 500ml container, BPA free. You get a 700ml container, a 300ml container. And the thing I love most about the new Tribest Personal Blender is this mason jar attachment. So I can take any standard size mason jar and just screw this attachment straight onto it, and then you can actually blend straight into your mason jar, all right, which is really cool. So you can actually buy a dry blade container. It comes standard with the wet blade. You can get the dry blade as an accessory and then blend straight into different size mason jars and just store your grain or your salad dressings, straight in the fridge, which I really love. And to operate it, I basically just push down on it like so, or you can lock it into place as well. I use this for all my protein shakes. It will definitely handle ice. Ice is no issue for it, and perfect for baby foods and salad dressings, which I love. So these ones come with a commuter lid, so you can just blend straight into the cup, put the lid on, and away you go to work for the day. And you also get the secured lid, so you can put them straight into the fridge. And you can buy a spatula, just a little attachment, to get anything out of the container. And you can also purchase this awesome insulated travel bag, which is what I use when I travel with it. So I think that's about it. I think I've covered everything. So if you're looking for the best personal blender on the market, definitely look into the Tribest Personal Blender 2. Any questions, please let us know in the comments below. Happy blending!